So huge news from today, you can make VO3 videos in portrait mode, basically vertical mode for TikTok or Instagram, doesn't matter. How you can do it is really easy. Go on Flow website, link will be in the description. You can choose how you can create video, text to video, basically from prompts, or frames to video from images. I am using images, and here on this corner, for example, let's choose an image. And right here, you can basically select portrait mode or landscape mode, how many videos, VO3 fast or VO quality. I'm using VO3 fast because it takes only 20 credits and it is good enough. Why I'm choosing images is because, for example, let's see some examples what I already created. So here is an image of me. So basically me and a robot walking. Here is another image of me. Let's see some cool examples. So a boy basically flying on a rug, Aladdin style. And all these images I have created in Higgs field. What is Higgs field? Higgs field is basically an app where you can create images like these ones of yourself. You can train the AI to make images of yourself. And here you can see all these are AI generated, ultra realistic, 90s style, 70s style, Star Trek vibe. And after you create an image, you can then go to Flow, and in Flow, you can create basically videos of yourself. So this opens a lot of opportunities for TikTok creators, for Instagram creators. So here's basically a helicopter flying above river, and there is a huge snake. What else? Some retro vintage footage, which I am fan of. Here you can see.
I think we should go to that new Italian place tonight.
And you know how to crop anything. I know many people cropped the 16:9 VO3 videos, but right now you can upload portrait mode vertical. So that's that. And again, the link for the Higgs field if you want to try it or make basically images of yourself. Ultra realistic. Here is me next to Twin Towers. So basically imagination is everything you need, and you can create different types of images of yourself, of your face, and this is 99% looking like me. So yeah, the only thing that is missing in these AI stuff is basically voice, lip sync. There are many tools that are like quite nice, but still we don't have the perfect lip sync, the perfect voice lip sync for that we can basically add to these videos. But in few months it will be here, and yeah, that's basically it. You can make now. You can make videos, landscape. I mean, portrait mode for VO3. So that's the news. And if you enjoy these videos for the updates, AI news, AI alpha, press the subscribe, press like, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, get a notification instantly, and you don't miss out on AI news like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.